Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and are you tired of your plain, cracked, dirty concrete floor? Let's upgrade it. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this a little bit. Now, if you've followed my videos before, we're actually looking at the other side of my garage. We're normally filming over there. But I don't know about you, but I've got that typical unfinished garage, as you can see. No sheetrock, bare concrete. The house is about 30 years old. Concrete starting to crack. There's tire tracks, there's marks, there's stains, there's everything that add up over time. And I've been looking at options on what to do. And you know, there's so many choices out there what you can do to address your concrete floor in your garage. And they all have pros and cons. Well, I had an opportunity at SEMA this year to talk to the guys from Swisstrax. And I was really excited by that because I've been looking at their product for quite some time. But I got an opportunity to actually stand in their booth, talk to the experts, and even address some of the questions and concerns I had for, you know, the pros and cons of this system. And they addressed all of my concerns about the system. And as you can see, I've fallen off the truck. So this is a great option. Plus, the other thing I really love about this is you can custom design. Now you can do epoxy floors and do all kinds of stuff. I hope you love it forever because it's going to be that way forever. You know, so all of these permanent choices that you can make on your concrete flooring, well, you better hope that that's the decision you want to do forever because that's what it's going to be. Now, Swisstrax is really cool. I've put in a really cool custom M stripe design into their designer online. I have all the tiles I need for this side of my garage. The other advantage of this and some of the other garage systems is I'm only going to do about a third of my garage today. I can do it in different pieces and different segments. I'm going to be doing just this one side of my garage today in one design, and then later over time I can build out to the other parts of the garage as well. So I want to walk you through this whole process. I'm going to show you a time lapse on all of this and how to lay it all out. We'll talk about it off and on as we go through all of this. But I wanted you to look at this as a potential solution for your garage system just like me. Now, the one thing I didn't do here on filmed was I cleaned up real thoroughly. So, you know, I swept really, really thoroughly. I got all back in the corners, that corner back there. Ugh, it was nasty. And thankfully here in the Pacific Northwest, any of the spiders that you find, you know, spiders aren't the kind that are going to hurt you. So I escorted a few additional members of my household outside of the garage a few minutes ago. All right, so let's get set up. I'm going to show you how easy this is, and I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to start with some basic tiles to start with, and then I'm going to show you the whole process. All right, let's jump in. Let's get started. I could not be more excited. All right, so I'm going to do most of this in time lapse, but let's explain how easy this is. As you can see, the tiles just fit together. They got a series of loops on one side, and they have teeth on the other. So all you're going to do is just take and match. Remember all those years of playing with Legos and blocks? This is it. So you're just going to take it, just fit it right in place. You can even just step on it. Nice and simple, just like that. So I'm going to lay out my design, and because I'm doing this in stripes, I'm going to do the stripes first. So I'm going to lay out all the red in a nice straight line, then the dark blue, then the light blue, then we're going to do the black all the way around the outside. All right, let's get started. Let's jump into it. Now, the other thing I really love about this is I build this out, and you can see I'm just piecing it together over time. I've now put the edges on. These are going to be hook side edges, and I've got corner pieces that I'll put on here in just a second. But what I really like about this is you're going to see a gap on this side. That may sound like a strange thing to be excited about, but as I slide this up, I'm going to be missing a tile or two back on this corner. I'm going to save those tiles, and I built this design out as if that rack wasn't there. And I really think that speaks to an advantage that these Swisstrax tiles have. Now, I can move, I can peel these up and take them with me. I can change the orientation of my garage, which I'm going to do here in the next probably year. I'm going to tear these shelves out, I'm going to tear this workbench out. I'm going to do all kinds of different stuff. So not only am I set up to put the proper tiles down there, and I'll put the missing black tiles with red edges back in this corner, but this allows me to change this. So if I had a different flooring solution, I can't take it with me. So I'll continue to talk about some of the advantages of the system as we go through, but as you see, as I lay all this out, you'll understand the reasons why I'm doing it. right, so you can see how easily this is all coming together. I'm beginning to think the only drawback to the system is I'm gonna want to do the whole garage now. So I really wanted to do this a piece at a time. I wanted to lay out one side of the garage before I did the other. Plus, it gives me an opportunity to change the designs as I go along as well. But yeah, I can already see this partially done, and I'm gonna want to do the rest of the garage. Now, the other advantage of the system, as we take a break here for a second, some of the questions I asked of the guys at Swisstrax. So what happens if you damage a tile? Do you have to take, like say we damage this one right here in the middle. Do we have to take the whole thing apart to get this tile out? No, he just used a simple pick tool, hooked up underneath the plastic, popped it straight out. What if you spill something through these and you need to get underneath? For whatever reason, you really need to get underneath it, you can just pop the tile right out. You have one that breaks for whatever reason, which would be hard to imagine, but if you have to replace a single tile or a couple of tiles, you don't have to take the whole thing apart, you just pull the individual tile out. So this really is a great system. And the other thing I really like about this, and while Swisstrax is not inexpensive, when you look at what it takes to resurface your garage floor, and this is just one of the small cracks in my floor, I'd need to have the floor sanded, I'd need to have it sealed, and if it's really bad, you'd have to have your garage floor leveled, which could potentially be thousands and thousands of dollars. So a system like this, I don't have to worry about the concrete at all. I don't have to worry about the cracks or sealing or anything else like that. All I can do is just put these tiles over the top, and they're going to work really, really well. In addition, as you can tell, this install is not hard in any way, so you can save yourself the installation costs as well. So like I said, while the system is not inexpensive, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than the alternatives out there and something you can easily do yourself. All right, let's jump back in, let's get started. All right, y'all, all done, and this is actually an update. About 2 weeks after I put these tiles in, I realized that there was a better way of doing it. So I wanted to show you the rearrangement a little bit, because the one thing I didn't want to have is a misunderstanding of some of the gaps in the corners and the like. Now, I mentioned before several times that I'm going to do a complete garage revamp, and I'm going to move some shelves, and the flooring is going to move, which is one of its advantages. But there actually is a huge advantage right now because this allowed me to come back in and move the tiles around and rearrange them a little bit. Now, I mentioned earlier about having to adjust my garage door. Now, I didn't need to, which was really nice, but I also wanted to set the flooring up so you didn't see any gaps, plus follow Swisstrax installation really almost more to the letter. Now, let me touch on that really briefly. So what you normally do, you want to start facing your garage, facing out. You want to start on the left corner of your coverage. So in this case, this. I'm only doing about a third of my garage right now, but start on that left corner and then work your way over. With the garage door down, you take these first 2 rows and you bump them with the edge up against your garage door, which you can see right where my garage door runners are. It's going to fit perfectly. So now these are going to seal directly up against my garage door without my garage door coming down on them. Now, it wasn't a problem before, but this is the proper way to set it up. I also closed this gap over here, and I removed the edging on this side, which I put in more as a placeholder until I did the complete revamp, but it's actually better without the edging here on the concrete wall. So basically it looks like a proper installation now, looks cleaner without some of those awkward edge gaps, and I will be able to reset this even still a little bit once it's all done. But with this a little bit of the reshape, it again calls out some of the advantages of the Swisstrax tile system in that, you know, a couple of weeks after I did the install, I realized there was a better way of doing it, and it took me about 10 minutes to move the mat around a little bit, get it fit back in here quite a bit better, and then reset the tiles so the fitment looks a lot cleaner and is a lot cleaner until I finish my garage restack. All right, so I wanted to make sure to provide that update here a little bit after the fact, and I'm just grateful and excited to have these in my garage. All right, all done. Normally I'd say clean up and put your tools away, but there really aren't any tools for a job like this. So the install went really, really simply, as you can tell, and I've already had people walking by be like, hey, that looks great. I am really excited to have this in my garage. I love the way it looks, and I really cannot wait to do it to the rest of the garage after the remodel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you to Swisstrax for making such a fantastic and easy product to work with. I am super excited to have this in here in my garage, and you should be too. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.